Hey Java Nuts, it's coffee time. In today's episode of Coffee in the Sun, we're going to learn how to make the refreshing drink, cold brew lemonade. All you need is sugar, cold brew, good water, ice, and lemon. You could of course use regular lemonade, but it won't taste as good. For a really easy method of making your own cold brew at home on a budget, I'll link a video in the description and at the end of this video. Measure about 4 to 5 ounces of good water and boil it. While the water is boiling, squeeze half a lemon into a bowl so you can take out the seeds later. Now pour the lemon juice into your cup, taking care not to get any of the seeds. The easiest way to do that is to use a knife as you're pouring and prevent the seeds from going in. Add a teaspoon of sugar, add more or less for your taste. When the water starts to simmer, pour a little bit, about 2 ounces, into your cup and stir the mixture. Dissolve the sugar. When the sugar is dissolved, add the rest. Cool it down with your ice. And then about 4 to 5 ounces of cold brew. Add a little bit more ice to top it off. And gently stir. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, as it's always coffee o'clock, no matter the season. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. I read all of my comments and look forward to hearing about your favorite summer coffee drink. I'll see you in the next installation.